Honorable Shina Peller, APC-Iseyin, Iwajowa, Itesiwaju, Kajola has called on Nigerians to embrace politics of purpose for effective leadership at all levels of government. He made the call at the 3rd annual Shina Peller NUJ Ramadan Lecture Iftar held at the Nigerian Union of Journalists NUJ Press Center in Ibadan. The news agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that the Ramadan Lecture Iftar, organized by the NUJ Oyo State Council, is sponsored annually by Honorable Shina Peller. The 2021 edition's topic was Islamic Perspective, Media, Leadership and the Quest for National Unity in the Face of Growing Insecurity. Peller called on media practitioners not to allow themselves to be used irresponsibly or carelessly by politicians to fulfill their political interests at the detriment of the nation.
I will use this opportunity to call the attention of both the Nigerian Union of Journalists and everybody present here on the key thing that is affecting our nation, which is leadership. Leadership is a key problem that I believe that we should pay attention to. And I will use this opportunity again to call the attention of the Nigerian Union of Journalists. It is time to do journalism of purpose in order for us to be able to achieve the aim to put Nigeria in the right trajectory for 2023. As journalists, we must need to use all instruments at our disposal to help the government in addressing this. It is our duty as the first estate of the realm that this is achieved in a peaceful manner.
Professor Afeez Oladosu, the guest lecturer, also said that one of the greatest challenges confronting the nation was the choice of a leader who will take Nigeria to the promised land. Oladosu, the Dean Faculty of Arts, University of Ibadan, in his lecture urged Nigerians to move closer to God and be sincere in their choice of leadership at all levels.
It's a fact, no doubt about it. We all know where we were. We all know where we are. We all know where we desire to be. The difference between what we deserve and the difference between what we desire. The religion has also become part of the problem. It should have been part of the solution, but unfortunately, it has become part of the problem. Because religion is now there in politics. Politics is now there in religion, but with a condition I must note this. Theoretically, conceptually, normativity of Islam is such that it recognizes the importance of political practice, but in a very true, very distinct, very plain one, not the politics of today. So àbùkátà sí àwọn olórí tí wọ́n pààyàn Ọlọ́run látara Ọlọ́run látara wa. Àbùkátà sáwọn dídà tó yẹ pé wọ́n ní máa benchmark prosperity wọn pẹ̀lú adversity tiwa.
And for his part, Alhaji Ademola Babalola, the state NUJ chairman, commended Peller for sponsoring the program for the last 4 years, describing him as a towering benefactor of the union.
Major landmark that I'm going to do, one, is the takeoff of a novel and unprecedented journalist trust fund, where members in distress can quickly draw interest-free loan, they pay within 3 months to take care of their immediate needs. Acquisition of 30-acre estate, journalist estate. This is the effect of this kind of things. Also, we've been able to settle the litigation of guest house, and also upgrade this guest house to a modern taste. We also got a brand new bus vehicle for this of the union. Similarly, there was common bus given to the union about 30 years ago by former governor Adebayo. That bus when we came in, it's a Toyota Alma bus. It was granted, and we knew that by God's grace, we return it back to function fully on our route. So today, that Alma bus is right there. It is now a new branded Alma bus for use of energy and weapons. The welfare of our colleagues falls in the list